Yeah, you have to have measurements in place in order to make sure that you're achieving the type of goals that's there, whether it's the correct things or not. And so, yes, those measurements are, it's constantly bit changing and then put in place based on the various relationship and partnerships that we have.
Okay. You guys kind of look at like data. Um,
Absolutely. Yeah, we have to look at the data when we start, and what are we looking to accomplish, and if we're hitting those milestones, and if not, what's the bottleneck? What do we need to go back and change? And you know,
right.
and then you may have to conclude that hmm, maybe that's not going to happen. It just doesn't show us here that this has a chance. So you're constantly changing also to make sure that you do ultimately hit whatever that goal is that you set out to do. Well, I think that it's kind of a silent thing that's taking place,
Mhm.
but success is evaluation. If you're having some success and meeting the ultimate goal, then it's a constant evaluation. And with the measurements in place and everything else, it kind of shows. And if you're able to say, we through this effort have put 35,000 people to work or whatever the number may be,
Yeah.
you're achieving the goals. And if you're cutting down on emissions because people are not traveling as far, and if the kids are getting the greater education because the parents are now spending more time at home.
Mhm.
Um, yeah, a lot of those measurements.
Yeah, those things kind of go in hand measurements and the evaluation of the partnerships. So,
Right, absolutely.